At Sharegain, we bring together a variety of expertise that are critical for securities lending.
We provide legal, operational, product support, as well as the full tech support and integration as well.
This means, cohesiveness in our services between product and R&D and operations and obviously legal. And we work together in an agile and efficient and fast way to get you the results that you need together.
An end-to-end securities lending program.
We call it SLAS, Securities Lending as a Service. We build a scalable system and we're very agile. We make the integration easy and fast.
We will enable you to hit the ground running. Working with Sharegain means you're working with experts in the securities lending market. It means we've already seen your use case. It means you shorten the amount of research and discovery time that you have to do in order to get to market.
We integrate seamlessly with your existing BAU to administration of reporting and consumption of reporting, reconciliation, etc., all the way through from pre to post-trade administration. So we're a true partner and we'll help you build that internal expertise through consultancy, workshops, and access to our market intelligence tools.
We've spent years building trust with our counterparties that you'll get access to when you bring your securities to come and lend with us.
There are two aspects of the business where legal really adds value. One, in particular, is the relationship with our borrowers, where we already have agreements in place and our clients can benefit from that. And the second aspect is the regulatory needs of our clients. Based on our empirical knowledge, we help them identify key issues quite early on in the process. So our clients don't need to do that legwork and it's already there for them.
The market knows that Sharegain has provided a tech solution that brings new supply to the market. That's an alignment of interests between borrowers who are thirsty for new supply and lenders who have a complex situation in order to try and get to the market. Sharegain solution bridges that gap. It's a win-win-win.
To take advantage of our connected up securities lending expertise and enjoy your new revenue streams quickly and securely.